Guys, I don't think you're bullish enough. Seriously, Kaspa is heating up like never before, and the latest wave of news is sending shockwaves across the crypto space. What's up, crypto guys? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily. Today, we've got a jam-packed Kaspa special. Smart contract rumors flying, a whale gobbling up nearly 1 billion coins, Kaspa Finance pushing DeFi into the spotlight, and bold predictions calling for 10x upside in the next cycle. Smash that like button if you're bullish on $KS and let's dive in. A huge one to start with. Crypto Crew reports that a Kaspa whale has quietly stacked 887 million KS. That's 3.3% of the total supply, all sitting in wallet hash 3. Now the question everyone's asking, is this just an exchange address or is it a market maker positioning Kaspa for a Binance listing? Whale moves always matter in crypto because they can foreshadow major exchange listings or insider confidence. Historically, before coins hit Binance, we often see mysterious wallets consolidating supply. If this is indeed tied to Binance, we could see a liquidity explosion, massive new retail exposure, and potentially parabolic price action. To me, this is bullish either way. If it's an exchange, that means Kaspa demand is already surging. If it's a market maker, then they're prepping for something bigger, like Tier 1 exchange access. Either scenario is rocket fuel. CryptoGrad dropped the line. You're not bullish enough on $KS. Rumors are flying that Kaspa smart contracts go live tomorrow. Kaspa today is already dominating POW usage, but add smart contracts, and suddenly you unlock DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, all on the most scalable POW chain. For comparison, Ethereum's big growth came only after smart contracts. Imagine Kaspa combining Ethereum-level programmability with Bitcoin-level security and instant finality. That's a recipe for serious disruption. If these rumors are true, Kaspa moves from being digital silver to a full-blown programmable ecosystem. That's next-level bullishness. Even if the timing isn't tomorrow, the fact that this narrative is building shows where Kaspa is headed. Kaspa Finance announced they're live on Ijura testnet with swaps, analytics, and more. DeFi infrastructure is critical for adoption. The ability to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and analyze on-chain activity creates network stickiness. This testnet launch is a signal of what's coming. A full DeFi suite running on Kaspa's scalable DAG architecture. Early DeFi ecosystems like Ethereum in 2020 or Solana in 2021 minted some of the biggest winners in the last cycle. This is how you kickstart an economy. Once DeFi is live on Kaspa, projects flood in, liquidity pools grow, and suddenly you've got a real economy, not just a coin. Micro points out Kaspa is the most used POW project by far. 5x more than Bitcoin, 14x more than Litecoin, 102x more than Monero. Well guys, okay, usage is king. People often hype potential, but Kaspa is already delivering throughput. Outdated chains can't scale to millions of users. Kaspa's GhostDAG tech scales without compromising security or decentralization. That's the holy grail. Real adoption plus scalability. The data proves it. Kaspa isn't just another coin, it's already miles ahead of the dinosaurs. If usage is this strong now, imagine what happens when DeFi, smart contracts, and Tier 1 exchange listings kick in. Scape Squad calls out the community. Kaspa solved the trilemma for crying out loud. The blockchain trilemma equals scalability, decentralization, security. Most chains compromise one. Kaspa? It actually achieves all three thanks to its block DAG structure. That's not just marketing spin, it's academically validated tech. This needs to be shouted from the rooftops. Too many projects promise Kaspa delivers. The community should lean harder into this message. Kaspa is the first real scalable POW chain that doesn't break the trilemma. An anonymous analyst predicts Kaspa will reach 51 cents, 84 cents, expecting the altcoin market top between November 2025 and January 2026. While predictions are never guarantees, this aligns with typical 4-year Bitcoin cycles, where altcoins peak about a year after Bitcoin's halving. For context, Kaspa today is still undervalued compared to peers. Hitting even the lower end of that target would be a massive ROI from current levels. I'll say it, these numbers might actually be conservative. If smart contracts, DeFi, and Binance all align, $KS could easily surpass those targets. So to recap, guys, whales are stacking billions of KS. Smart contract rumors could change everything. Kaspa Finance is launching DeFi. Usage numbers blow Bitcoin and Litecoin out of the water. Kaspa solved the trilemma, and analysts are calling for 5-10x growth next cycle. That's an insanely bullish lineup. What do you think, guys? Is Kaspa still the most underrated project in crypto? Drop your thoughts below. I read every single comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss these daily updates. Tomorrow we'll cover another sleeper project that's showing Kaspa-like momentum, so stay tuned. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but right now, Kaspa is looking unstoppable. Until next time, guys, stay bullish, and I'll see you tomorrow.